Ready to unlock some serious savings on your next Sugargoo haul? Let's dive into how to correctly use coupons and watch those prices drop. First, head over to the Sugargoo website and make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial, as the system needs to know where to apply those sweet discounts. Next, add all the items you're planning to buy into your shopping cart. Take your time and double check you haven't missed anything. Click on the cart icon to proceed. Now, you'll see a summary of your order, including all the items you've selected and the shipping cost. Before proceeding to checkout, carefully review everything to ensure accuracy. Look for the coupon code input field. It's usually located near the order summary. Carefully type in your coupon code. Double check for any typos, as even a small mistake can render the code invalid. Then, click the apply button. If the coupon is valid, you'll see the discount amount deducted from your total. Make sure to verify that the discount has been applied correctly before you finalize your purchase. Finally, proceed to checkout. Select your preferred payment method and confirm your order. You've successfully saved money using your Sugargoo coupon. Happy shopping!